Okay, today we are going to solve another problem on distribution of profit. Okay, so that we can get a clear idea of how profit is distributed among the partner. See the illustration 3. Amitabh and Babul are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. So there are two partners, namely Amitabh and Babul, and they are sharing the profit in ratio 3:2. Okay, with the capital of rupees 50,000 and rupees 30,000. So here Amitabh contributed rupees 50,000 and Babul contributed rupees 30,000. Interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. So they have given the rate of interest and we need to calculate what? Interest on capital. So whenever there is a working note, we need to show those working note, okay? Otherwise they'll deduct the marks. So here interest calculation is there. On their capital contribution, we need to calculate the percentage or interest on that particular capital. Okay, then Babul is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 2,500. So here see, sometimes they'll give salary 1,000 is paid per month. That means what? We are preparing annually, right? For a 1 year we are going to prepare. So whenever they give month means we need to do what? We need to multiply that with the 12 months, right? Because for a year we are going to calculate. Here see, they have given Babul is to be allowed an annual salary. So here there is no need of calculating because annual salary only they have given. So for 1 year he is going to get 2,500. So there is no need of calculating, right? Okay, then during the year 2014 to 15, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Babul's salary amounted to rupees 12,500. So please note this sentence. So what they are saying, before charging the calculation of interest. So before charging the interest, but after charging Babul's salary. So what they did, so after Babul's salary was written, then the profit which is transferred from P&L account amounted to rupees 12,500. So this is what, this is after making proper adjustment in the P&L appropriation account, this amount they got. But actual P&L transferred is what? So what we need to do, see they have said na after charging Babul's salary. So what is the amount of Babul's salary? So 2,500. So they have charged 2,500 means from the actual profit which need to be transferred from P&L to P&L appropriation, they have deducted this particular amount. Otherwise it would have been more than that. So how can we calculate that total net profit that is transferred? Add that, simple. For 12,500 add 2,500, you will get the profit, that is 15,000. That means what? Whatever the amount which need to be transferred from P&L to P&L appropriation was 15,000, but after charging the salary, they got this much. So at the time of writing, what you need to write? You need to write 15,000. Understood, right? Okay, then they are saying that a provision of 5% of the profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. That means what? We know, right? Now the profit is how much? Profit is 15,000, right? How you got 15,000? So they have said the profit after charging salary was 12,500. But we need to get what? Actual salary. So whatever the amount they have deducted, we need to add. So add this salary. You are going to get what? 15,000. So on this profit, 5% need to be given as a commission to the manager. Understood? So this is the methodology. Then prepare profit and loss appropriation account showing the distribution of profit and partners capital account. So now we need to do what? We need to prepare P&L appropriation account. Along with that we need to prepare partners capital account. So let us prepare that. Let us solve this particular problem. So first we need to do what? We need to calculate interest, okay? So okay, here I'm going to do what? Working note. So working note on calculation of interest on capital. Okay, So first partner name is Amitabh. Amitabh is a partner. Capital contributed by him is 50,000, and the rate of interest should be is, they have given the rate of interest is 6% per annum. So there is no additional capital. Okay, so now calculate upon 50,000 how much is the, so we are getting how much interest, 3,000. So then the next partner name is Babul. Okay, his capital contribution is amounting to rupees 30,000, on which 6% is the rate of interest. So we are getting interest rupees 1,800. Understood? So this is the interest calculation, and then other adjustments are not required. Okay, if you need working note related to profit and loss transferred to P&L appropriation account. Okay, so what they have said, after charging salary, that means, so salary need to be deducted, right? After charging salary, profit is, how much they have given, 12,500. So what was the amount of salary? To get the total P&L amount, what we need to do? We need to add the salary. So how much is the salary? 2,500, right? So we are getting what? 15,000 as a profit. That means there was a profit of 15,000, but they have said they have deducted the salary of 2,500, because of which this was now a profit. But we need to get what? We need to know, right, what is the actual profit amount. So we have added the salary and we have got our actual profit as 15,000. Understood, right? This working note. Okay, then anything, yeah, there is a provision. So 5% provision need to be given, 5% provision in respect of commission to manager, on which? On profit. So we know, right, how much is the profit for the organization which need to be transferred to P&L appropriation is 15,000. Upon 15,000, 5% is what? Commission rate. So calculate 5%. So this is the commission. Okay, so all the working notes are done. Now what we need to do? We need to prepare P&L appropriation account. So format, write the format, debit, credit, then this one here, rupees, particulars. You can write even detail. Okay, choice is left to you, either you can write details here or as particulars. Okay, now what we need to do, they have said, right, whatever the profit, whatever the amount or the result they got from P&L account is what? Profit. So what is the entry for transferring profit? P&L account debit to P&L appropriation account. So what is the amount of profit? This one is the amount of profit. Write down by P&L account. So it is very important to understand the journal entries. So in order to prepare this P&L appropriation account, we need to know the proper journal entries. So journal entries to transfer profit is what? P&L account to P&L appropriation account. So I am going to write narration, profit transferred. So how much is the amount? Okay, 15,000. Okay, then what is the item that we need to write? So we have calculated interest, right? To interest. Entry for writing or charging interest is P&L appropriation account to partner interest account. So here interest on capital. So first one is Amitabh Next one, next second partner is Babul. So Amitabh's interest we have calculated, na? Interest on capital is 3,000, right? Then we have calculated Babul's interest on capital 1,800, right? The total amount 3,000 plus 1,800 is 4,800. Then what we need to write? Other items are, yes, there is a salary, right? To Babul's salary. To give away the salary, what is the entry? P&L appropriation account to partner's salary. So the amounting to rupees 2,500, right? Then any other items? Yes, there is a provision to commission to whom? Manager. That is how much? 5% on profit. So what is the amount of commission? Here we have calculated, that is 750. Now we need to see whether any item is left out. No, there is no other items which are left out. Now we need to see whether credit side is more or debit side is more. So I'll calculate the debit side, 4,800 plus 2,500, 750. So the total of debit side is 8,050 and credit side is 15,000. Now you have understood, credit is more, debit is less. That means it is now a profit, right? Whenever the credit side is more, that can be called as a profit. So where we need to transfer the balance on the debit side to whom? To partner's capital account. To profit transferred. In the next page I am going to write. To profit transferred to partner's capital account. Okay, name the partner Amitabh and Babul. Okay, now we need to find out, na? We know how much is the total. Total is 15,000. Now we need to deduct 15,000, 8,050 from 15,000, na? So we are getting the balance 6,950. And now this particular profit need to be shared among the partner in their profit sharing ratio, and we know the profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So write 6,950 into 3 by 5. So his share, Amitabh's share is 4,170. If you want, you can even write the working note related to distribution of profit. So 6,950 into 3 by 4. Why? 3 is his share in firm. Okay. So another one is 2,780. How you need to calculate? 6,950 into 2 by 5. So that is 2,780. Now the problem is over, but they have asked to transfer this or prepare partner's capital account. So I am going to prepare Amitabh's capital account. So both the partners' capital account we need to prepare. Then after Amitabh, Babul's capital account. Okay. Now first entry in partner's capital account. What is the first entry? We need to do what? We need to transfer, or we need to write the capital contribution by them. So what is the entry for the capital contribution? Capital account debit to partner's capital account debit to the partner who is contributing the amount. So capital to Amitabh's account, right? Here what we need to do? It is opening balance. So write by balance brought down. So his contribution is 50,000 and Babul's contribution 30,000. Okay, now capital contribution is over. Next what we need to write? If there is interest on capital, there is, right? By interest on capital. How much is the interest on capital? Amitabh's interest on capital is 3,000 and 1,800 Babul. Okay, 3,000. Then Babul's by interest on capital 1800. Okay, then if there is any salary, yes, Babul is paid with the salary, so by Babul's salary, how much is the Babul's salary? 2500. So there is no salary for Amitabh, no need to write, and salary is over. Then any other items? Yes, everything is over, but there is a one thing which is remaining is, see, here is a profit that we need to transfer. So what is the entry for profit? P&L appropriation to partners capital account, right? Now how we need to write here? By P&L appropriation account. I hope you have understood this particular posting or transferring to ledger. See, entry, so where okay, I'm going to write here, to transfer profit to partners capital account. Entry is what? P&L appropriation account debit, right, to partner capital account. Okay, so this is the manner in which profit will be transferred. Now what we are doing, we are posting that in partners capital account, right? See, in this particular account we are posting, so in this particular account we are writing, means on which side this appropriation should be written. So it will be by, okay, it will be by. Whenever in P&L appropriation, partners account will be to. In partners capital account, this particular item will be by. Understood, right? That is the manner in which we are posting it to ledger. So now his amount will be, his share will be 4170, whereas Babul's is 2780 by P&L appropriation account. So that is 2780. So there is no interest on drawings, there is no other any items. So what we need to do? We need to write the closing balance. So calculate. So 57,170 is Amitabh's closing balance. So total is also 57,170. So how we need to write? To balance carried down. Because here there is no other items, right? So the total of credit side will be the closing balance or balance carried down. So here also you need to do what? You need to calculate 30,000 plus 1,800, 30,000 plus 1,800 plus 2,500 plus 2,780. So the total is 3780. So this is the carried down amount. Write down to balance carried down 3780. So this is the manner in which we need to understand. I hope you people have understood journal entries, right? So before solving this particular problem, please study the journal entries, and that is very important. Okay, if you have any doubt in these particular problems, you can ask me.